Absolute value. It simply means distance from 0 to a number. That's it. Not direction, just distance. Now, let's look at an example. I write a number inside two vertical bars like this. Now tell me, on a number line, what is the distance from 0 to 6? It's 6, right? So the answer is 6. Now, let's make it interesting. What if I write negative 6? Careful here. Don't say minus 6. Why? Because minus is used for operations like 6 minus 2. But here we say negative 6. Negative is just describing the number. So what does negative 6 mean? Move 6 units to the left from 0. Now tell me, what is the distance from 0 to negative 6? Still 6, right? Because distance is never negative. So absolute value of negative 6 is 6. What about this? 6 minus 1. Now this is different. Here minus is an operation. So we calculate 6 minus 1, 5. Absolute value only distance. Distance is always positive.